When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, we're gonna make a great hair mask, deep conditioning, really amazing, and I really love it. I want to share it with you, and it's the molasses and mayonnaise mask. So let's get into the video and show you how to do it and how to apply and the final results, and of course the benefit of both ingredients. Stay tuned. Okay, hi guys, let's start our tutorial. Of course, I added a towel so I don't get messy everywhere. And I'm gonna need a small plate or bowl like this and a teaspoon. And I'm gonna use my molasses just like this. You can use a big spoon for this, but I'm gonna just spill it from this jar. I'm gonna use about like from 2 to 3 big tablespoon for my hair, because my hair was so long. So of course it depends on the length and the amount of your hair. You have a thin, thick hair, you just see how much you're gonna need. And I'm gonna add the same amount of the mayonnaise, of course. So I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons here from the mayonnaise, or I can add more if I feel the consistency of the mask it's still sticky, because the molasses is so sticky and will be so harsh on my hair. So I just mix them together and make sure everything like really mixed and the consistency of the hair mask is mixed well and it's beautiful. And after mixing, if I feel like the consistency is still a little bit sticky for my hair, I will add a little bit of mayonnaise, but here it was a nice amount for me. And as you can see, the consistency is pretty good and it will be easy to apply over my hair. So basically that's mask, guys. So I'm gonna apply this over my hair right now. Okay guys, as you can see, my hair is ready to add the hair mask over. Of course, you can add it to a clean, very dry, completely dry hair, just like you see here, or you can apply it on your dirty hair that you're gonna wash it afterwards. It doesn't matter. But for me here, my hair was completely clean and completely dry. You don't apply it on a wet hair, or you're gonna get messy hair mask everywhere because of the water and the molasses don't mix. So yeah, make sure it's completely dry. And I'm gonna apply over my hair from roots to the ends, or in reverse here from the ends to my roots, and make sure I covered every inch of my hair, like the hair itself and my scalp very nicely before I make it like in a very nice bun and leave it as long as I can. For me, I love to leave it like for a couple of hours, 3 or 4 hours, or even more if I can. Or using a heat cap really helps to make this hair mask really beneficial for my hair. And then I'm gonna wash my hair afterwards. So I'm gonna leave you now watching this, and I'm gonna talk to you about the benefits of the molasses and the mayonnaise, and I'm gonna go to the ends to show you the final results of this beautiful hair mask.
when I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way. Glossy.
So I'm gonna start with the benefits of the molasses. So molasses is really beneficial for your hair because it contains antioxidants like manganese and zinc. It's really responsible for healthy scalp and hair growth. These ingredients have anti-aging and hair repairing properties that help hair regrowth and also help to strengthen your hair. And also contain copper for maintaining your hair color, so it really help to reduce body melanin, which is a pigment responsible for your hair color. So it really helps in the graying process. So it's kind of a repair your hair color. So if you have kind of a gray hair, if you use it on your hair or take it like as a supplement, take it every day, will really help in this graying, reduce that graying process and repair the hair color of your own hair. Of course, it has a big amount of iron for hair fall. Molasses have a very high iron content that's beneficial for anemic individuals. Of course, it's really beneficial for them, but also it helps hemoglobin production, so growth, carry oxygen to roots and aids your hair growth. Therefore, if you are suffering from hair fall, get your iron level checked in your body. That's very important. Me as a physician, I always say, if anyone complain about hair loss, check your anemia. See the hemoglobin level in your body first before going to anything. So it's really amazing if you add it to your hair or take it as supplement, as I said before. It also helps in frizz control. Molasses can also use to remove the frizziness of your hair caused by bleaching, pairing, and coloring, humidity, and all these stuff. So really helpful, makes your hair so healthy and frizz free. So those are the benefits of using the molasses, like on your hair as a mask or take it as a supplement. But also molasses acts as a natural deep conditioner and make hair silky and smooth if you use it as a mask, as we did that in this video. It has a thick and sticky consistency, so it needs to be diluted a little bit with oil of your choice, or as I did in here, I use the mayonnaise. Really helps to reduce this consistency, the sticky consistency. So it's really nice to add over your hair, because if you use the molasses over your hair directly, it's really beneficial, of course, but it's really thick, so you can like kind of cut your hair or damage your hair because it's really thick to be applied on your hair. So you need to dilute it a little bit with anything. It also rich in amino acids, zinc, and enzymes. These natural nutrients nourishing your scalp and hair and leave it so soft, so smooth, and so healthy and shine and glow. I love using this mask when I feel my hair really needs a big, deep like conditioning and kind of dull. The molasses really helps to add a lot of glow and healthy looking to my hair, so that's why I love this hair mask so much. For the mayonnaise benefits for your hair, first of all, helps in hair growth. Of course, we know mayonnaise is made from eggs, and eggs is so beneficial for your hair. Mayonnaise have a large amount of amino acids, especially one called L-cysteine, that plays an important role in improving the growth of your hair. And of course, as we said, the high protein content of the egg that we made mayonnaise from really helps. Like, the egg is so important and very beneficial for your hair. Really helps to strengthen and thicken the hair follicle. Of course, it's a deep conditioner for your hair. The amino acids and the fatty acids and all this rich amount of nice ingredients of the mayonnaise really help as a great conditioner for your hair. So of course, it helps to add a lot of like a conditioner effect to your hair, really soften the hair very much. And that's a very natural way, so it's a great alternative for any chemical conditioner. Mayonnaise contains oil and soybean oils, of course, with the egg yolk, vinegar, and lemon juice that we made mayonnaise from. All these ingredients really help to hydrate and nourish your hair and scalp. Again, with all the vitamins that we have in the mayonnaise, the vitamins, the proteins, the fatty acids, all this add a lot of shine and really improve the hair texture and inhibit premature aging actually. So this with the molasses is a very nice combination to add them together to add this nice anti-aging luxurious kind of a hair texture, especially for the summer. And of course it treats dandruff because really helps with itchy scalp. Mayonnaise is a tonic that definitely work for this feeling, this itchy feeling. Really helps to reduce the bacteria that is a cause of the dandruff. So it really helps to reduce the dandruff and really help to treat it. So it's a very nice one to apply to your hair. So these are the beneficial or the benefits of molasses and mayonnaise combining together. It's an amazing mask. So yeah.
Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon.
And that's it, that's for this video. I really hope you like this DIY. I really love this hair mask. It's really amazing and I really recommend it if you want something very deep conditioning and you want to regain the glow and the shininess of your hair. If your hair become dull and you feel it's frizzy, it's weak, really need deep nourishment, this one is amazing. I swear by it, guys, it's amazing hair mask. I really recommend try it at least once and you will fall in love with it. I promise you. So this is for this video. I really hope it was helpful, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.
You'll be dancing on the moon.